Hello everyone. So, on your request, today I will talk about creative story writing. How to begin this story. So, you see, first of all, you should perceive the picture very carefully. In perceiving the picture, three things you have to keep in mind, and all these things should be included in your write up also in this story. First thing is the background or the environment, which shows what place they are standing, the people, the characters, what is the background, whether it is a village or it is a town, is it a posh area or a semi developed area, then is it indoor or outdoor, is it on a hill station, is it in a jungle, is it in a garden or a park. So, this is the background. Then it can be indoors. So, indoors, is it a house or is it some building or is it a mall? So, what is that place where this the background will tell. After the background, second thing is the objects. There may be some objects prominently displayed in the picture. Maybe a revolver is kept on the table, that's an object. Maybe a train is there in the background, scene of railway station, train is the object. Maybe a bike is parked nearby in the market and it is prominently seen, then that is bike is the object. So first thing is background, second is object, and then number three is the characters. So characters are the people who are living characters who are shown in the picture. Maybe one or maybe more than one. So if one character is shown, that character itself becomes the hero. For male entry, for female entry, you will find one person, at least one person with whom you can identify easily. So that big issue is not there, that can we choose a hero of a different age or different gender. So that is already taken care of. For an NDA candidate, a young boy of 17 years, 16, 17, 18 years of age will be available in a prominent role in the picture, normally. And in female candidates, a girl of about 20 plus 20, 25 years of age will be available. A girl or a lady or a woman will be available with whom you can easily identify. And for FCAT and CDS entry, male candidates, a male of 20 to 25 years of age will be available. Now the point comes that you have chosen the hero as the person with whom you are identifying is close to your age and gender. Sometimes this situation may not be there. In that case, you should choose the most active person with full of josh and full of initiative. That should be your hero. Try to avoid importing the hero. Hero will be available in the picture, but in very rare case, yes, you can import the hero from outside also. There is no bar on that. But just for the sake of it that you are not very comfortable with the person who is shown in the picture, you are not very comfortable, so you import the hero, that should not be done. So I hope this thing I have made clear, and we'll continue, and in the next video you ask your questions in the comment box, and whatever area you want a video to be made, I'll do that. Bye bye.